on, man. Dumb cop. I hate this cop. Oh, man, dumb cop. Hey man. How you doing, man? Welcome to Big Daddy's Mechanic Shop. My name's Tyrone. What's wrong with your car, man? What's wrong with it? What's wrong? Man, I can't really explain it. Can I rap to you? I'm a rapper. Can I rap it to you? I mean, I guess you can rap. Go ahead. This rap was what's going on with your car. All right, check it.
The thing goes grrrr, skitty kid pop pop, and the poop poop boom, skia, boom boom, boom boom. You done know.
You think all that been happening to your car, man? You just need another car. Man, what's your rap name though? My rap name is Kasa. What? It's I can't say it. What? Creative? What? You're not an English teacher. I can say it. That's a dumb rap name, man. That's a dumb rap name, man. That's a dumb rap name. What kind of name is conspiracy?
I'm gonna shoot you, bro.
Man, I wish you would shoot me. Man. Yeah, you thought I was gonna shoot you, man? Yeah. Orange gun. We do things around here. This is Jamaica, man. That's the cop. Is that the cops?
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich. Throw that to the side. I get those